Hey, I'm Andrea with Speak for the Unspoken, and this is our Floor and Decor story. Speak for the Unspoken is a special needs animal rescue, and we focus on saving special needs animals and giving them their best lives. We started a few years ago with double merle Aussies like Mary here, who are born deaf and or blind because of inappropriate breeding practices. When we moved into this space a couple of years ago, there's a number of rooms here, and there was different flooring in all of the rooms. And this room in particular, which is our training space and our intake space for our animals, had a very slippery, glossy kind of linoleum. It just wasn't conducive, nor was it easily cleaned up, for our animals when they were in here. We set off in search of trying to decide what to do, and then realized very quickly that it was going to be very expensive to replace the floor in our entire space. One of our volunteers was in Floor and Decor one day shopping for her personal home and started talking to the manager of the store there. And next thing I know, I'm getting phone calls from the manager of Floor and Decor.
Hey, I'm Chris. I am the store manager here at Floor and Decor. So I've been at Floor and Decor now for over 8 years, and one of the main reasons why I really want to stay in this company is really for the people of the company, right? That we take care of everyone everywhere we go, and not only our people inside of Floor and Decor, but our people in the community. And for us to be able to give back so much, it's such an amazing feeling. It was really cool. We've done this every year, every store we've had. We've always tried to give back. We had about 5 associates every day from Monday through Friday go in, help either rip out or go ahead and start the installation process. So it was a large overhaul. It's somewhere around 1,100, 1,300 square feet of flooring that we had to rip up and then reinstall.
So one of our biggest concerns with a floor, especially with an animal rescue, is the ability to clean it on the regular. We often get dogs in that have contagious illnesses when we bring them in from puppy mills or from shelters down south. And so it was really important that we have a floor that we can clean and disinfect. The team from Floor and Decor brought out a number of samples, and we selected the Decor vinyl, and it was a perfect fit because of the easy ability to clean.
We were really excited, and we're like, hey, look, that's an opportunity for us to give back and get involved and give back to our community.